Frequently asked question number 1, what actually happens at a showing appointment? Are showing appointments awkward? Yes, they certainly can be at first. That's why I tell my clients, I'm going to turn on all the lights and let you start exploring. You can open doors, drawers, and cupboards to get a feel for the space and the storage. If you're considering buying this home, you should know how it actually functions day to day. My job is to guide you, point things out, and protect your interests. Your job is simple. Decide if you can truly see yourself living here. Frequently asked question number 2, can I go to open houses without my agent? Yes, absolutely. Even if we're already working together. Once you've chosen a realtor and signed a buyer agreement, you're still free to visit open houses on your own. If the hosted agent asks, just let them know you're already represented and share my card. You'll usually be asked to sign in. That's standard, but it doesn't change who represents you. My goal is for you to feel comfortable seeing homes in whatever way works best for you. Frequently asked question number 3, how many homes should I see before buying? Some buyers see 3 homes, others see 30. There's no magic number. What matters is understanding the market so you can recognize a good home when you see it and feel confident making an offer afterwards. My job is to really learn your wants, needs, and deal breakers. When I do that well, I narrow the search, eliminating homes that are too small, overpriced, and focus on the ones that check the boxes on your must-have list. Think of me as your matchmaker for homes. Frequently asked question number 4, what should I not do during a showing appointment? Don't criticize the house out loud. You never know who's listening. Today, almost every home has a doorbell camera and they can pick up conversations. So whether you love the home or hate it, save your honest thoughts for later. Talking inside the property can give away your negotiating leverage. Strategy is best discussed privately after we leave the home. Frequently asked question number 5. Can I bring family or friends to my showing appointment? Yes, you can bring someone you trust, but too many opinions can create confusion. My advice is sure, bring someone you trust. However, keep in mind the final decision is yours. Frequently asked question number 6. How long does the showing appointment take? It depends on how you feel about the home. Sometimes you walk in and immediately know it's not the one, and we move on quickly. Other times it's a strong contender and you may want to spend more time exploring. I'll never sell you a home you don't want to buy. If you need time to imagine your furniture in the space or open every cupboard, door, or drawer, that's exactly what showing appointments are for. Frequently asked question number 7. What if I love a home during the showing appointment? That's the best part. Congratulations. We'll quickly review the price, comparable sales, and strategy. And if everything makes sense, the next step is writing an offer. And thank you so much for watching this Home Showings Frequently Asked Questions series. I really appreciate you being here. If you'd like to know more, I also have FAQs on buying, lending, selling, and credit on my channel. Subscribe for more real estate tips. And if you ever need help buying or selling, I'd love to help you build wealth through real estate. Thank you so much. Bye.